Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigator and this is a market update for Thursday of May 6, 2021. Please click the button below to subscribe to our YouTube so that you'll be updated on the current market. First, I'm going to show you some of the sector and stock are still on the move in the next couple of weeks here. After that, I will do the market update on S&P 500, Nasdaq, Dow, oil, gold, and Bitcoin, so stay tuned. First of all, let's take a look on the biotech sector. As you can see here, at the biotech sector, they yet go sideways here. So it looks like they find other support and looking for the momentum to put it to the upside again after a whole week at going down. So one stock in this sector I'm going to pick up is the J&J, which is Johnson Johnson. So this one here, they found the support. Now they even market go down, they still hold up a very strong momentum, try to catch up with the other biotech sector, move to the upside. So this is Johnson Johnson. The other bank sector is still dominant in the market right now. So as you can see, one of the bank stock, the sector, the XLF, it's still doing very strong here, as you can see here. So one of the bank stock here I'm going to pick up, they call it ORF. Okay, so this one here, it try to find a way. If they can break out this level here, it can continue to put it up to the upside again. All right, and the next one is the industrial, which is the industrial sector is XLI. It's very strong. As you can see here, they continue to put it up to the upside. And one stock in this sector is very strong. That's the John Deere. Okay, so construction equipment supply. So they ride this level here. If they can clear that arrow here, they will continue to move it up to the upside again. And the energy sector, which is the XLE, also doing very well. As you can see here, they approach to the final move to the upside here. So some stocks still have room to move. Okay, like even energy, it seems like they continue to get some momentum to put it more to the upside there. Okay, so that's the four stocks that I have for you today to add on to see how they work out during the week. And then let's take a look on the market update right now. As you can see here, let's talk about the S&P 500. The S&P 500 is still trying to test the upper bound again. If we can clear that area here, they will put it one more leg to complete this move here to the upside, and after that we'll see more correction. And the NQ, which is technology stock, they get hammered for the whole last couple days here. So now today they look like they'll be able to find a support and looking for the momentum to bow back to the upside. And then let's see how far they can go from here. And the Russell 2000 is also try to find a support. If tomorrow they'll be able to put it up, okay, they can come back and retest the uptrend again, but it's still very weak compared to the Dow or S&P 500. The Dow is still very strong. It continues to put it up for the final move here to the upside. And if you look at the crude oil, it also tried to get up there, but they get hammered again at the sell down. So they pull back to be up some momentum here before they can continue to put it to the upside. Gold, it tried to break out the multi level of resistance here. So this morning they were able to break out and continue to put it up to the upside. And if you look at the Bitcoin, they also found a support at this level. They try to hang around here. They're looking for momentum to put it up to fill up the gap up here. And Ethereum, which is smaller, cheaper, and affordable, and more people do try to put it up, and then they are right now they still hold up to the upside and continue to get to the next destination there. Okay, so that's all I have for you. Okay, if you are busy, you can check out our premium watchlist, where we will handpick about 3, 4, 5 stocks every week, and we analyze and give you the entry target and exit so that you can take a look to see how they are doing. You know that trading is a risky business. It's not a get rich quick scheme. You need to learn how to analyze and read the chart with the right technical analysis and understand the market psychology in order for you to be successful in this market. Okay, so this is the time for you to invest in your education so that you can survive in this volatile market. So the month of June and the month of May and June, the market will be more volatile. So you have to be careful. All right, so that's all I have for you today. I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please click the thumb up button below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.